guys!
Hi! Welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to make
a homemade energy bar, a keto chocolate bar video. And this is a reshoot of the video because this stuff is seriously too good, and we're going to show you what was left a few hours after shooting the video, and basically we couldn't do the end of the video because
we could never finish the video.
So this is how good it is.
That's what left. I put it into the freezer. I came home and half was missing, and then a few hours went by and then nothing left.
Yeah, so we have to reshoot this whole video. That's how awesome this stuff is. And by the way, if you're having any problem on the keto diet, my wife here is a certified keto coach, and you can go on our website and book in a free consultation.
Absolutely, go now, right now.
Yeah, and we can see if we can help you with your keto diet. And otherwise, let's do some cooking.
Okay, for this recipe you need 320 grams of almonds, 150 grams of hazelnuts, 1 block of chocolate. If I would have baker's and sweetened chocolate, that would be the best, but I don't, so this is what I got. And then you need half a cup of sweetener of your choice, 3-4 tablespoons of butter, half a deciliter of melted coconut oil, a little vanilla, and either you go with a tablespoon of beef gelatin powder or you go with xanthan gum, about half a teaspoon I would say. And then for the baking you need a tray like this one and the baking sheet. And now we will throw in all the almonds here and mix it with the food processor. If you don't have one, I will link one in the description box below. Okay, so this is the fine texture. You need bigger pieces so when you bake it, it's gonna be crunchy because this is an energy bar after all. And now you add your hazelnuts and you just mix it together a little bit. And I think that's enough because you want this crunchy texture. And now you will add half a deciliter of coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of melted butter. We will add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and we will add 1 tablespoon of beef gelatin powder. And the reason you do the beef gelatin powder or the xanthan gum, because this is what makes it a little sticky, like this old energy bars or muesli bars. And we will also add half a cup of sweetener, what is 125 milliliters. And if you get the situation that it's not sticking together when you do this, as I do, and it's more sandy, then you add more coconut oil, like maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons more, and it's gonna be fine. And now when you press it together, you see it's sticking a bit better together. And if you are unsure if this will really stick together, you can still add more coconut oil. Okay, good. I think now it's really sticking together. You can see pretty much this is what you go for. It all depends on a little bit of the quality of the nuts as well. Okay, good. Now you pour this into your form. And at this point you add your chocolate, and if you want more crunchiness, then you can add a little bit more smashed nuts into this. I will smash the chocolate and the hazelnuts, and I'm gonna add to the mixture. And the easiest, if you put this into a bag, you can even smash it more. And then you can just pour it in here like this. You can even go with 2 blocks if you have unsweetened baker's chocolate. And then I will add this one as well for the crunch. And now you can like mix this together with your hands. And when it's well combined, you just press it down with your hands and wait. And when you get to this stage, you can use a spoon to even it out and really compress it. You can really press the edges. and really, really press it down. That's a key factor. And when you are done with this, you put it into the oven, and I suggest that you preheat your oven for 160 degrees and you put it in for about 25 minutes, half an hour. And you can keep an eye on it because maybe your oven is a bit faster. Alright, so I took it out from the oven. I actually baked it for an extra 10 minutes, so all in all it was 40 minutes, I believe. And now it's this golden brown color, and I let it fully cool down longer than I planned because we had friends over and time just went by, and now it's like soon midnight. But anyway, I'm gonna put it into the freezer because actually this is the key step to make this very crunchy. The best, a few hours. The top condition is overnight. So we see you tomorrow. Okay guys, we couldn't wait. We could not wait with the granola. So this is a late night episode. So now it's quite good. It was in for an hour, I think. Yes, look at this. It's pretty solid, I would say. So there is ways to go. You can actually slice it up like this and make actual energy bar out of it. Look at this. It's like really packed with everything. Or what I like to do is take a jar like this. If you don't have one, I link one in the description box below. And then you break this into smaller particles. You can even use this one and crank it. And then you keep it in bigger chunks like this. And throw it in there. And you're actually getting a keto granola for breakfast or for afternoon or whatever. Then you use this almond milk. It's a organic, unsweetened, 0 carbs, 0 sugar. This is my favorite brand. And then you can have this granola with almond milk, and it's so good. The only thing you have to pay attention to, that you make sure that you keep this in the freezer, because then it lasts longer, but I don't think it's gonna last for so long, and it stays very crunchy. I think I will do this for now, and then we're gonna have some granola. And I hope you like this video, and see you in my next video.